Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. Thank you. Sit down, please. Take a seat. Let's begin our lesson. Today is open lesson, okay? We have an open lesson. Okay, look at the blackboard. What date is it today?
Today is
One student. One student. Answer, please. Tell me.
Today is
March. Okay. Open your books, open your copy books, and write down today's date. The 6th of March. Classwork. Today's day is Thursday, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Let's divide into two groups, children. Let's divide into two groups by cards, okay? We have today two groups. First group is clothes shop here, and the second group is pet shop, okay? Come here one by one and choose one card. Choose one card and then see here. Look at the card. If it is a pet, you go to the pet group. If it is a clothes, for example, t-shirts, maybe jeans, maybe, you should go to first group, clothes shop, okay? You will be clothes shop. Here, look at the blackboard, children, girls, boys. Pay attention. First group is clothes shop. It is imagined in your cards. And the second group is pet shop. Next. What was your home task, children? Tell me. What was your home task? Making sentences. Yes, that's one. Okay, let's check your home task. Pay attention to the blackboard. Make two sentences for the reconstruction. It is a home task. We now checking your home task. Who answers? Who wants to answer? Okay, Muhammad, please. Read from your copybook the home task.
Or aesthetics.
Okay, thank you. Sit down, please. Abdurrahman, please. Stand up, please. Thank you. Next, make two sentences for negative form of the reconstruction. It means that there isn't. Okay? Who wants to answer? Okay, I am.
There isn't a pet shop in our village.
Okay. You are right. And the second sentence, Asubek, please. There isn't negative form, Asubek. Pay attention. Negative form. There isn't.
There isn't a cinema in our village.
Cinema. Okay. Okay, thank you. You are very clever. Thank you for your answers. Next, let's watch a video about today's scene to guess our new scene, okay, of today's open lesson. Look at her and listen to carefully what about she speak, okay? Let's start.
Hi, I'm Carly. Today we are going to talk about different types of shops. And my favorite shop is Pet Shop. There's a lot of shops in Terrace. What is your favorite shop?
Okay, thank you. Emma, what about Shizel? What is it? How do you understand this video? Mahaba, please.
Her favorite shop is pet shop.
It's pet shop. And she has a question for you, yes? What favorite shop of yours? What is your favorite shop? It is a your question for you.
My favorite shop is game shop.
Okay. Thank you for your answer. We talk about on today's lesson about shopping. Our theme of today's lesson is shopping. Okay. Open your books at page 13 and now I tell you our today's lesson learning objectives. First, understand the main points in a limited range of short simple texts. Understand the main points in a limited range of short simple texts on general and curricular topics. Use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about a limited range of general topics. Use there is and there are structure to make simple sentences. Next one is apply visual support to name the places and the people, understand and complete the tasks without teacher's support. Use construction there is, there are to make simple sentence about shops. Use subject-specific vocabulary to talk about shopping. Let's do first task. What are you seeing here? Aslıbek?
Sport shop.
Okay. It is a type of shops, yes? Come here and answer. What answer? Sport shop, you choose. And this picture, yes, very good. I satisfied your answer. Next, who wants to answer? Mahavat, please. One by one, be quick, okay?
It is shoe shop.
Shoe shop. Okay, next. Nuriman. Choose one and
It is game shop.
game shop. Game shop, okay. Oyun dükkanı ya. Kelası. It is pet shop. You are correct. Okay. Thank you, Suzanne. Next. Diana, come here. Be quick. It is news agents. Translate please this word. News agents. Газет, дükkanı ya. Next. Ayhan. Choose one and complete this.
It is supermarket.
Supermarket. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Next, who wants to answer? Okay. Abdurrahman, then Arslan.
Computer shop.
Computer shop. Very good. Arslan, come.
It is
Chemists. Okay. 6. Come here.
It is clothes shop.
Clothes shop, yes? Okay. And the last one, I think. Diana. It is bookshop, and this last one is chemist, yes? Okay, let's check this task. Well done. You are correct. But here was one mistake, yes? It is individual work. Complete the sentences. Descriptors. Start the sentences with there is or there are. Tell the correct sentences. Now I'm going to give you self-assessment things. It is a genre. And you will points, 1 point, okay, 1 score. Pay attention to the blackboard. Check. Please do one score for your numbers. It is for the first task, okay? Task number 2, it is about the reason the rock construction. It is a random wheel. Spinner, yes? Have you seen? Okay, come here one by one. You should complete sentences with there is or there are, okay? Come here. One by one.
There is vehicles in the house.
No, there is. It is a mistake. There are, because it is singular form or plural.
Pupils.
Okay, sit down. Next, Diana.
There is a voice on the teacher's table.
Okay, very good. I satisfied your answer.
A dog in the garden.
Very good. It is correct. Come here, Ayhan.
There is jam on the plate.
Very good. Who is next?
There are a cooker in the kitchen. There is a cooker in the kitchen.
There is a cooker in the kitchen. Okay, very good. Next.
There is orange juice in the bottle.
Translate into Celtic language, please.
Bu жақта
Orange juice.
апельсин.
Apelsin.
Апельсиннің
Шырын.
шығын.
In the bottle.
Бутылкада.
Бутылкада. Okay, thank you. Next. Aslan.
There is a bus in front of the house.
Okay, very good. Mahab.
There are a kite or a kid and the
Kite.
balance and the roof.
On the roof. Okay, very good.
There is balance and kid
And then
on
eyes.
the roof. There are 13 boxes on the chair.
Very good. Then
There is a cake in the fire.
in the fridge. Okay. Enjoy.
There are 2 books in the back.
Very good. You choose. There is also
There is jeans on the tree.
very good. Abdurrahman.
There are toys on the shelf.
The last one is Asılbekes.
There are 40 cats in the
Street. Very good. Of course, 2 scores, okay? If your answer is correct. Dobra. Okay. Has a blackboard. Task number 3. It is a group work about shopping. Descriptors are first group and the second group. First group will be shop assistant, first group. And the second group will be customer. And imagine that we are in shoe shop. That we are sit in a shoe shop. And I prepare for you 3 boxes of shoe. And the customer will buy from shop assistant the 1 pair of shoe. Okay? Make more money. Okay, children? Okay. It is a dialogue. Make a dialogue. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes for preparing. Shop assistant will be Mahaba. Okay? And the customer will be Arslan. Okay, Arslan? Okay. Let's start, children. Here, there are 3 boxes of shoe, and you should buy it. Okay, Arslan? Because individual work. Are you understanding me?
Yes.
It is clear for you, isn't it? Okay.
Hello, can I help you today? Me need this pair of shoes for running. I like
Arslan, don't worry. You find shoe for running, yes? Okay. And the shop assistant?
I recommend this model. What size do you need? My size is 34.
34, yes? Okay.
One
Doesn't matter, Arslan?
One moment, please.
One moment.
It is 34. But size 34. What do you like? What do you like to try them in? Yes, thank you.
Are you liking it?
I like it. We have them in blue, black, and red colors. Mine choose blue color.
Okay. Arslan, choose blue color, yes?
Great choice.
Okay, it is a great choice. Okay, thank you.
Yes, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Okay, thank you, Siddhartha. Give me. And Arslan and Mahaba, please point to scores. Other students, only 1 scores, okay? To your number. And we have next task. The last one. It is extra task. It is a pair work. Find the hidden words, descriptors. Find the words and the circle. Make 3 sentences. It is peer assessment. It is pair work. Bir-birine көмектесесіңдер, бұл жұптық жұмыс дейді балалар. Және сен жаңылдыр мойы. Он сөз табу керек. Closes, computer, game, use agents, fetch. There are 10 words that you should find out from paper. I will give you 3 minutes only. And the names, okay? very good. And then make 3 sentences with these words. Okay.
There is a big bookshop.
Okay. In our country, about tell me please. For example, supermarkets.
There is a small supermarket.
In our village, yes. Okay, thank you. Sit down, please.
Is bookshop.
There.
The
In Kazakh language. Translate.
Бұл не кітап дүкені.
Next.
It is supermarket shop.
Supermarket shop.
All supermarket дүкені. There isn't news agents газет дүкені in our village. Газет дүкені. Біздің ауылда газет дүкені жоқ.
Газет дүкені жоқ.
Bookshop кітап дүкені.
Кезек.
Абдурахман.
Chemist дәріхана дүкені. Дәріхана clothes clothes shop all киім дүкені. Computer shop all computer дүкені. Game shop ойын дүкені. News agents shop all газет дүкені. Pet shop all жануарлар дүкені. Shop all магазин. Sport shop all спорт дүкені. Супермаркет all спорт магазин дүкені.
Арслан, біздің ауылда дәріхана бар деп айтшы.
There is chemist in our village.
Very good. That's your answer. Okay, thank you. Sit down, please.
Bookshop кітап дүкені. Sport shop спорт дүкені. Neuroscience ойнайтын computer shop компьютер дүкені. Game shop аяқ киім дүкені. Pet shop жануарлар дүкені. Shop супермаркет азық-түлік дүкені.
Very good. Тағы. Енді сөйлем құрандаш болды. Екі сөйлем, бір-бірден.
There is a supermarket. I love so bookshop.
No. There is or there are. Мысалы, біздің ауылда жануарлар дүкені жоқ деп айтшы. There isn't жануарлар дүкені. Pet shop in our village. Бір-бірден болды.
Кітап дүкені, chemist shop, chemist shop, дәріхана, clothes shop, киім дүкені, computer shop, компьютер дүкені, game shop, ойын дүкені, newsagents shop, газет дүкені, pet shop, жануарлар дүкені, shop, магазин, sport shop, спорт магазина, супермаркет.
Енді екі сөйлем құрашы. There is.
There is supermarket.
Басқа сөйлем. Дәріхана бар деп айтшы. Дәріхана.
Chemist.
There is.
There is chemist.
In our
village.
There isn't game shop. Don't worry.
It is newsagents, газет дүкені, supermarket, chemists, дәріхана, clothes, киім дүкені, sport дүкені,
Continue.
shop дүкен, computer shop, компьютер дүкені, sentence in our village.
Okay, very good. You please.
There is.
There is. Supermarket.
There is supermarket
In our
in our
village.
village.
Sit down. Today's lesson. Come here and write if you like today's lesson. Switch on the green button. If you have some questions, please turn on the yellow light. If you don't like this lesson, come here and switch on the red light. Okay? Come here one by one. Сабақ ұнаса жазуды басамыз, сұрақтарын болса сұрағын басамыз, сабақ ұнамаса қызылды басамыз. One by one. Okay. Сабақ бәріне қатты. We have a feedback, and now I give you homework. Home task is on your books. Page number is 13, exercise number 3. It is home task for you. Our lesson is over. Thank you for your participation.